Hello and welcome my dear students. This is your EBS class once again. So we are dealing with the same chapter that we have done in the previous class, our food. This is the continuation. And in the previous class, if you have remembered that we have learned different types of foods, our meals, and the question arises here, from where do we get all those foods? Okay, all these foods. Now so today we are learning on that basis, sources of food. So whatever we eat, food and all, we get from either plants or from animals. Okay, now the food which we get from plants are called plant products. I have written this side. And the food which we get from the animals are called animal products. It is there. Okay, now the first thing, plant products, cereals and grains. For example, it is given there in your book as well. So cereals and grains, wheat, rice, maize, this all comes under cereals and grains. Okay, now what about fruits? You all know your fruits like mango, banana, apple, from plants we get. So all these fruits and all, it comes under plants product. Now vegetables, it is there. We eat different parts of plants like leaves, roots and underground stems of plant. Radish, beetroot, carrot and turnip are all roots of plants. And potato, onion, garlic and ginger are underground stems. So these are underground stems of plants. Lettuce and spinach are leaves that we eat. So all this comes under vegetables, and vegetables we get from plants. Next, spices. We get many spices like chili, coriander, cloves, pepper, ginger and turmeric from plants. Spices add flavor to the food. So what is the use of these spices? We add spices in the food to make it tasty, because spices add flavor to the food. Okay, they all are the spices name. Okay, and then oils. Oils are obtained from plants like coconut, groundnut, cottonseed, sunflower, olive, hazelnut, corn and rice bran. These all are plants, and from these plants we also get oils. Alright. Now the last thing we get from plants, medicines. There are many types of medicinal plants like tulsi, turmeric and eucalyptus. Okay, tulsi leaves are used for curing common cold and cough. So whenever you have common cold and just take tulsi plant. Okay, that is plant tulsi, and if you can use with water or drink, or you can eat that leaves simply like that. Okay. Then turmeric powder is used for treatment of wounds and sprains. If you get cut in your body, that time turmeric, haldi, that time you can use in that wound so that it can heal fast. We take oil from eucalyptus to cure common throat and nose disorder. Whenever you have nose problems and all, that time we can take this eucalyptus oil. Okay. Now this is from the plants products. Okay, let's move on to the animal products. The things which we get from the animal, the things of food, milk, meat, eggs, honey, these all we get from animals. And from this milk we can make many milk products, right? Milk products like butter, cheese, paneer, ghee, curd and ice cream. And we also get meat of goat, chickens and fish. And we get eggs from chicken. and the honey we get from bees. So these all are the animal products. Okay, it is there in the picture also, please see. Now the vegetarians and non-vegetarians, people who eat only plant parts and honey and milk, but they don't eat meat, so those people are called vegetarians. So what they do, the vegetarian people, they eat only plant parts. Now the non-vegetarian people, they eat both meat and plant parts. So the vegetarian, they eat only plant parts, and non-vegetarian, they eat both plant parts and the meat of some animals. Now balance that, it is important that you should have good combination of food. Okay, for example, chapatis, rice, pulses, fruits and vegetables. If you eat the same kind of food daily, what happens, our body does not function well, because we may not get proper amount of vitamins. Okay, so it is very much important that you should have a healthy combination of food. So that is what it is called balanced diet. Now food in different parts of the country is not very much important. You just read it and you'll understand. Now let's recap our food. There's a chart given there, just go through it and learn it. Next, question answer we'll do through the WhatsApp. Thank you.